Good morning students. Now today we will see our lesson number 11, measurement of time. So measurement of time. In this lesson we will all learn about this time, all about our watch. Okay. So first you might have known that this longer hand is called as minute hand and this shorter hand is called hour hand. Okay, so in this exercise 11a, what question is given? Mention the correct time under the clocks. See, clocks are given, so we have to mention the correct time. So we will see one by one. Now what time is it? It is 9 o'clock. So we can write here 9 o'clock like this. Okay. Second example, what time is it? It is 2:30. We can write like this also. Okay, 2:30. Exact timing is 2:30. Now here, what is the timing? In the third example, 10:15. So we can write this timing as 10:15. So in very short way we can write all these answers like this. Now see second question. Read the time under the clock and draw the hands accordingly. Okay, so here time is given. So we have to draw this minute hand and hour hand. So with the help of your scale you can draw this minute hand and hour hand. In the first example, what time is given? 7. Okay, so you draw with your scale and pencil your short hand on this 7 and longer hand on this 12. It is 7 o'clock. What time is given in the second example? 11:30. So your shorter hand is towards 11 and longer hand is towards 6. It is 11:30. Now in the third example, what is given? Time 5:15. So your shorter hand is on 5 and longer hand is on 3. It is 5:15. So in this way, with the help of your pencil and scale, you draw all these minute hand and short hand. Okay, so complete in your textbook. Now see reading time from a clock. See your page number 129. Minute hand. Minute hand is the longer hand of the clock and moves round dial completely once in an hour. This minute hand, that is the longer hand and that moves completely once in hour. Completely एक बार पूरा राउंड वो घूमता है. Okay, minute hand उसको बोलते हैं. It takes 5 minutes to go from one number to the next number. See 12 to 1. 12 से लेकर 1 तक जाने के लिए उसे complete 5 minutes लगते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ पर कभी कभी देखो हमारे वॉच में भी एक स्मॉल ऐसे राउंड्स, ये ऐसे लाइंस दिखते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5. सो 5 मीन्स ये नंबर 1 आ गया. तो 12 से लेकर 1 तक आने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? 5 मिनट्स. हर एक ऐसे ही 1 से 2 2 to 2 3 3 to 4 4 to 5 5 to 6 6 to 7 7 to 8 8 to 9 9 to 10 10 to 11 and 11 to 12. It requires 5 5 5. Then we have to add all these 5 and that will become 60 minutes. We will see later on. So just remember that from 12 to 1 it requires total 5 minutes time. Okay, now see hour hand. Hour hand is the smaller hand of the clock and moves from one number to the next in 1 hour. That's why it is called as hour hand. Suppose hour hand is on this 1 number, means 1 o'clock is there, and after complete 1 hour that hour hand will come on this 2 number. 2 number means completely after 1 hour it will move on to the next number. Okay, so that our hand completes 2 rounds in a day. Completely 2 rounds karte. Therefore, there are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are in a day? 24 hours. 12 hours, that is our daytime. 12 hours, that is our evening night time. Okay, now see what is given here. So, this is our clock. This is our watch. So, this left hand side of this clock that gives us how many minutes are there to next hour. Okay, so the left hand side means this from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Suppose the hour and minute hand is on these numbers. So we can come to know about how many hours next, how many minutes are there to next hour. And this right hand side that denotes number of minutes past hour. Suppose 12:05, 12:10, 12:15. It gives us the time how many minutes past that hour. So this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side of this watch. Now see, suppose 15 minutes passed. 15 minutes means how much? This 5 plus 5, 10, 10. See, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So suppose our minute hand is on this 3 number. That means 15 minutes are passed already. What we can say? Quarter of an hour. Okay. Now suppose 30 minutes. 30 minutes means half hour. Half hour is remaining for the movie. Okay. We can say like this. Then sorry, 45 minutes. 3/4 hour. So see, 30 minutes means where our minute hand is there on 6, and 45 minutes means 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 5, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. So 45 means what? Our minute hand will be on this 9 number. So we can say 3/4 hour. Now 60 minutes. How many minutes are there in this clock up from 12 to here up to 12? That is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means how much? 1 hour. 1 hour is passed already. And how many hours are there in one day? 24 hours. Okay. Now see your page number 130. Now see what is the time here in this clock? 7 o'clock. Exactly 7 o'clock is there. Now see in the second picture what is the time? 7:05, or we can say 5 minutes past 7. Now what we have to do here? 5 multiplied by 1, 5 ones are 5. Means I just told you 12 to 1, how many minutes are required? We required here 5 minutes. Okay. Now see the next diagram, next picture here. What is the time here? 7:10. Means what? 10 minutes past 7. So what we have done here? 5 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 means our hand, minute hand is on this 2 number. 2 means how many minutes? 10 minutes. So 10 minutes past 7. Now turn your page. See your page number 131. Now see here in this picture what is given. The minute hand is on 3. So it is 5 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15 minutes. 15 minutes past 7. 7 बजकर कितने मिनट हो रहे हैं? फिर यहाँ पर 7 बजकर 15 मिनट्स हो रहे हैं. और क्या कह सकते हैं हम लोग? और क्वार्टर पास्ट 7. क्वार्टर मीन्स व्हाट? 15 minutes. You remember this. Quarter means 15 minutes. Now see next picture. 7:20. So 5 4s are 20. See 5 multiplied by this 4. Suppose this minute hand is on 4. What time is it? It is 7:20, or we can say 20 minutes past 7. Now see next diagram. 7:25. That our minute hand is on 5. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 minutes past 7. What time is it? 25 minutes past 7. Okay, now see next diagram. 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30 minutes. 7:30. Exactly 7:30 is there. So 30 minutes past 7 or half past 7. We can write by both the methods. Now see next picture. 5 multiplied by 7 equal to 35 minutes. So what time is it? 7:35. 25 minutes to 8. Just I told you, after this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What they denote us? They give us how many minutes are remaining to that next number. So 25 minutes to 8. Okay, now next diagram. 5 multiplied by 8. 5 8s are 40. Suppose this minute hand is on 8. How many minutes are there? 40 minutes. So what time is it? 20 minutes to 8. Okay. Now see 5 multiplied by 9 equal to 45 minutes. So what time is it? 7:45. 15 minutes to 8 or quarter to 8. 15 minutes. अभी 8 बजने में 15 मिनट्स बाकी है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इक्वल टू 50 मिनट्स. सो 7:50 इज द करेक्ट टाइमिंग. सो व्हाट वी कैन से 10 मिनट्स टू 8. 8 बजने को 10 मिनट्स बाकी है. एंड द नेक्स्ट लास्ट डायग्राम इज 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11 इक्वल टू 55 मिनट्स. अभी क्या टाइमिंग हुआ है? 7:55. 5 मिनट्स टू 8. 8 बजने को सिर्फ 5 मिनट्स बाकी है. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट दिस all these pictures of this clock. Okay, so remember, when the minute hand is on the right side of the clock, we use the word past. Right side. See here, this past. This word is very important. This is the right side, and we use this word past. 12 past 5 or 3 past 10, like this. And the left hand side we say suppose 20 minutes to 9, 15 minutes to 11 or 10 minutes to 12 or 5 minutes to 12, like this. So we use the word minutes to on this left hand side. So remember this clock, this division of this clock. Okay, so in this way we will complete our next exercise. Now see your page number 132, exercise 11B. A question. Write down the time in 2 different ways. See, time is given. We have to write down the time in 2 different ways. First we will write what time is exactly in this watch. It is 1:55. See, 1:55 means 5 minutes to 2. So what time we can write? 1:55. And in second way, what we can write? Only 5 minutes remaining to 2. 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. मतलब 2 बजने को सिर्फ 5 मिनट बाकी है. So we can write here 5 minutes to 2. Now see second example. What time is it? It is 6:50. मतलब यहाँ पर 7 बजने को कितने मिनट्स बाकी है? 5 plus 5, 10. So what we can write? 10 minutes to 7. So you write like this. Now see third example. What time is it? See, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. 25 minutes to 3. So what time is it? 2:35. 2:35. And how many minutes are there? 25 minutes to 3. So we can write here 25 minutes to 3. Here whatever, if you want to write this spelling you can write, or if you want to write 25 you can write here 25 also, one at the same. So in this way you write down these answers in your textbook. Now see fourth example. What time is it? It is 3:25. So we will write like this 3:25, and here we can write 25 minutes past 3. Like this you have to write down. Now see next example. What time is it? It is 5:10. So first you write down 5:10, and here what we can write 10 minutes past 5, मतलब 5:10 हो गए हैं. Now see next example. What time is it? It is 9:45. So what we can write here 9:45, and what we can write 15 minutes to 10. मतलब 10 बजने को कितने मिनट्स बाकी है? 5 + 5 10, 10 + 5 15. 10 बजने को 15 मिनट्स बाकी है. So what we can write here 15 minutes to 10. So in this way complete in your textbook. Now see seventh example. What time is it? It is 4:20. So you write down here 4:20 and write down 20 minutes past 4. 4:20 minutes for 20 minutes हो गए. Now next example, eighth example. What time is it? It is 5:40. And how many minutes are remaining? See, 5 + 5 10, 10 + 5 15, 15 + 5 20. 20 minutes to 6. So you write down 20 minutes to 6. 6 बजने को 20 minutes बाकी है. Okay. Now see ninth example. What time is it? It is 11:20. So you write down here 11:20 and 20 minutes past 11. So complete in your textbook. Now see your page number 133. B question. Draw hands to show the time. See, time is given, we have to just draw our minute hand and hour hand. So with the help of your scale and pencil we have to draw this minute hand and hour hand. See first example 2:20. So you just draw this short hand towards this 2 and this minute hand towards this 4. It is 2:20. So with the help of your pencil and scale you draw this and give this arrow towards this hour hand and minute hand. Okay. Now second example is 9:50. 9:50. See here. Somewhat like this means अभी इसमें क्या 9:50 10 बजने को 10 मिनट्स बाकी है. थोड़ा सा ये 9 से ऊपर हमको लेकर जाना है. Okay, so draw like this. Now see what time is given 10:25. So short hand is towards this 10 and 25 means this longer hand is on 5. So like this you have to draw with the help of your scale and pencil. Now see fourth example. What time is given? 3:20. So our shorter hand is towards this 3 and longer hand towards this 4. 3:20. Now see fifth example. 6:10. This shorter hand towards this 6. 10 means 2. 6:10. Now sixth example. 4:40. 40 means towards this 8. 4. This short hand will be between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Not exactly on 4. Somewhat between this 4 and 5. This is 4:40. So draw like this. Now see seventh example. What time is given? 11:55. 11:55 means 5 minutes to 12. Five minutes to 12. Now see eighth example. 7:40. Somewhat difference is there. So 7:40. Like this you have to draw. Now ninth example. What time is given? 9:05. So shorter hand is towards 9. 5 means 1. So like this you have to complete in your textbook. Now see question. What will be the time? This question you have to write down in your notebook. So first you write down this first question. 1 hour after 6. 1 hour after 6. 6. So what we have to do here? 6 plus 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. What is our answer? 7. You just write down like this. Okay. Now see second example. 1 hour before 7. Before 7 means what? 7 minus 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. So what is our answer? 6. 1 hour before 7 is 6. Now see third example. 2 hours after 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock plus 2 o'clock. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 o'clock. So what is our answer? 2 hours after 8 o'clock. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So you write down like this. Now see fourth example. 3 hours after 4. After 4, 3 hours. So 4 plus 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 hours after 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is our answer. Now see fifth example. 2 hours before 12. 12. 2 hours before. Before means we have to subtract 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 12. 2 minus 2, 0. This one as it is. 2 hours before 12. Before means what? पीछे. दो 2 hours पीछे. 12 के 2 hours पीछे कितने हुए? 10. Okay. Now see sixth example. 4 hours after 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, 4 hours. So 10 plus 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. This one as it is. See, what is the answer? 14. But in our watch, how many hours are there? 12 hours. So 12 plus 2, how much? 14. So what is our answer? 4 hours after 10 is equal to 2 o'clock. See, 4 hours. 10, 10 to 11, 1, 11 to 12, 2, 12 to 1, 3, 1 to 2, 4. 4 hours after 10 is 2 o'clock. 14 is our answer, but 12 plus 2 means how much? 2. 2 o'clock is our final answer. So, in your notebook, you write down all these questions. Now see your page number 133. Question D. How long does the hour hand take to move from 9 to 12? Now see what is the question. How long does the hour hand take to move from 9 to 12? See now, hour hand. See, 9 to 12. 1, 2, 3. Hour hand. Only hour hand we have to count. So, we will write here 3 hours. So you write down there in very small writing because very small space is there. So you can write directly there 3 hours. Like this only you can write here. Okay. Now see second example, 4 to 8. Now see 4 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So how many hours? 4 hours. Next is 7 to 8. 7 to 8 only 1 hour. 1 hour. 7 plus 1, 8. Fourth example is 12 to 5. 12 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hours? 5 hours. So like this you write down in your textbook. Now see E question. How long does the minute hand take to move from? Now what is the question? Minute hand. So we have to count here minutes. How many minutes are there? So 8 to 10. See this 8 to 10. 8 to 9 5 minutes. 9 to 10 5 minutes. 5 plus 5. How many minutes? 10 minutes. So you write down like this 10 minutes. Here only you have to write down the answer 10 minutes. Okay. Now see second example 5 to 11. See 5 to 11. 5 to 6. 5, 6 to 7. 5 plus 5. 10 plus 5. 15 plus 5. 20 plus 5. 25 plus 5. 30. Means 5 to 11. How many minutes? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5s are 30. So you write down here 30 minutes. Next example is 10 to 2. See 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. So 10 to 2 how many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 minutes. Now see fourth example 7 to 11. 7 to 8 5 minutes. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. So 7 to 11 how many minutes? 20 minutes. So here in your textbook only you have to complete all these answers. Now see F question. how long will it take to complete the following activities? Some activities are given here. First example is morning prayer of school. What is the option? 15 minutes or 15 hours. So our morning prayer is only of 15 minutes. So tick mark on this 15 minutes. Second example is traveling by car to nearest mall. 10 hours or 30 minutes. What is question? Traveling by car to nearest mall. Nearest mall, so it will require less time. So it will require only 30 minutes. So tick mark on this 30 minutes. Now see third example. To reach school from home. Our distance from school to our home is of 30 minutes or 3 hours. Only 30 minutes. So tick mark on this 30 minutes. Now fourth example is to stitch a shirt. Stitch means शर्ट को सिलाई करना, सिलवाना. तो शर्ट सिलवाने के लिए हमें कितना टाइम लगेगा? 3 आवर्स और 3 मिनट्स. शर्ट को पहले कट करना पड़ता है, उसके बाद उसको स्टिच करना पड़ता है. सो इट विल रिक्वायर 3 आवर्स. 3 मिनट में कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so that to stitch a shirt, how much time we require? We require 3 hours. So tick mark on 3 hours. Next example is to boil milk. हमारे घर में जो भी मिल्क आता है हम लोग उसको गर्म करने के लिए पॉट में रखते हैं. तो उसको गर्म बॉईल करने के लिए कितने मिनट्स लगते हैं? 10 मिनट्स और 10 days only 10 minutes. So tick mark on this 10 minutes option. So just tick mark on this correct options in your textbook.